Species diversity of Earth. If we have to understand this, we generally say it is effective number of species that are represented in a collection of individuals. So I repeat, effective numbers of species that are represented in a collection of individuals. So what basically you do? You just take a plot, take one zone, you start counting. Say for example, if I have a plot like this, say I have some squares, some rounds, okay, and say some tick marks here, all representing single species types. So what I have to just do is I have to start counting the number of species and the types of species. That's what gives us a species diversity to be studied. So you just have to go out, collect everything, count it all, and take samples of multiple places. We just cannot take one place, we have to take say place A, place B, place C, and so on. So based on this, we understand our ecosystem, we understand the kind of growth of microbes in comparison to the larger organism. We also understand the loss of species, effects from them, and which are the ones which is getting extinct and which are the ones which is getting replaced. These are certain things we understand by studying species diversity of Earth. Some of the points which we could also add up to this is certain things are actually causing threat to the entire species diversity. For example, overexploitation, pollution, habitat conservation, overgrowing, all these could be trouble to the entire species diversity. But by and large, if we see three different pie charts here, starting with invertebrates, then vertebrates and plants. In case of invertebrates, you can see insects are the leading one. It covers more than should I say more than 3/4 of the entire pie chart. You can see the insect population. This could be one marker question in PU. If you see under vertebrates, fishes lead the race here. They are largest. They are about 50% of the entire vertebrate population. In case of plants, if you see, angiosperms are highest and fungi also are quite good. So in plants, angiosperm is highest, but when we are considering also fungi along with it, it is equally good in number. So this is the species variety. You must and should remember all the highest number. So you must remember insect under invertebrates, fishes under vertebrates, angiosperms under plants. These are the highest number of species seen.